Hey folks, Gemini 3.1 Pro just dropped and it is an absolute beast for complex reasoning and agentic coding. If you are using Google's Antigravity IDE, you are going to want this running your autonomous agents immediately. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to update Antigravity and switch your default model to Gemini 3.1 Pro less than 2 minutes. Let's go. So if you go to Google's Antigravity and try to switch to Gemini 3.1 Pro and run some task, you will be getting an error, something similar to this. Let me show you that. I just ran this task here, and as you can see, I'm getting an error. Gemini 3.1 Pro is not available on this version. Please upgrade to latest version. So that means we need to upgrade Antigravity to latest version. But as you already know, Antigravity sends up updates automatically to the editor, but as you can see in this time we need to update it manually. So what you want to do is go to Antigravity website and you need to download the latest version. So in here, if you're on Mac, you can use these versions, and if you're on Windows, use these versions, and Linux, you can download this version. So I'm going to download this version. So after download complete, make sure to close your Antigravity editor and run the setup again to install the new version. And I accept that. Remember, next install. As you can see now, it's installing the new Antigravity version. So after install finish, let's see if the issue is fixed. Okay, let's launch the application again. As you can see here, looks like the Antigravity version is updated. So if you click this, you will see this change log. So this is the newest version. So now let's try the new version. So I'm going to add the prompt again here. So as you can see now, it's running with Gemini 3.1 Pro. So if you're having the same issue as me, make sure to manually download the Antigravity and upgrade the Antigravity version. So you will be able to access Gemini 3.1 Pro. So that's it, guys. If you have any questions, feel free to comment. See you in the next video.